Today, we're going to unleash the AI magic. And I got a couple of things to show you as well. AIMAGE is making an impact. And one reason that I think it is in 2024, I did some information and I looked, I'm like, well, the best AI image generator at a glance. Now, at this list, there's not one crypto project with AI on here, okay? Midjourney, DALL-E E3, you even got Adobe I see on here. Listen, AIMAGE is doing AI magic because they partner in with Volt Inu, and this is what this looks like in terms of the image generating that the Volt Inu community is doing. Great community that Volt is. And this information came out that long ago of saying, glad to offer the Volt Army a new functionality to aid in our Vaulted graphics creation. And that's what AI Image is doing right now, bringing out the magic. I'm liking it. So they partnership with them. So now they can use this bot to create really good content. It looks good. Got an image there, got an image there, and look, and the image right there as well. And as well, they've also talked about this on Space Chick Crypto, a little daily dose of magic, I'm pretty sure, of content, vaulted. And also talked about, you know, the beginnings, the future endeavors. That's what's happening here. Because AI Images also has spread its wings a little bit, and I see Inu. So they offer them a complimentary access to AIMAGE tools. What are those tools, you may ask? You know, what are the tools? Well, some of the tools, it's very simple. It's inside the bot. Text to image, image enhancement, and sticker generator. So we're gonna go and take a look at this real quick. And by the way, my name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Let's create something magical. All right, so right here, I'm at the image bot, and we're gonna create a simple image. I did an apple pie that looks like this. It looks pretty good. Look at this apple pie here. Did apple pie earlier. Damn, I want an apple pie with a glass of apple juice. Not milk. I don't really like milk too much, but I like apple juice. But look at this. So you can create this very simple and very easy. This is what the Volt Inu community is doing. So I'm simple. Image. And what should we create that's really, really good? I know. Let's say a Jeep at the beach. Simple. You know, it's going to take about, what, 23 seconds to create this. So we'll come back to here in a few minutes here. As I continue going on there, you may want to know what the chart's looking like. I know you're thinking not the chart. Right now, it's still undervalued, which is a lot of project at this time of year is undervalued. So this is sitting at a very nice, respectably under $700,000 market cap. And it's definitely still have a nice base that's holding the fort, about 468 in terms of holders. Now, when I go back over here, I'm going to go check on the creation, right? So, because earlier we did an apple, and pretty soon you're going to see a Jeep appear at the beach. So let me go ahead and click off here, and voila, I see a beach, a beautiful beach, and I see a Jeep there. So that's something that you can create, very simple. And I got the Telegram link around this video somewhere. It could be up, could be down, could be left, could be right. So you can go ahead and start creating right now as well. So very simple. Now, in terms of all this, Tokenomics is right what you see. 5 billion supply, 3% buy fee, and 3% sell, which meaning you're gonna be taxed 3% if you buy and sell, but it's zero transaction fees. Zeros, which is really, really good there as well. So to me, the best AI image generator could easily be here. And there's more things they want to do. So I'm looking at here, I'm looking at Tokenomics, the tools. So they got the logo generator, which basically now you see Volt Inu's using the logo generator. They have to be. They got to be. So they're using that as well. But they also want to do ads and banners, image remix. This can be really good for companies and business and crypto to use a bot. And you have already seen what they can do right here. This looks pretty good here. If I go back right here, I mean, this looks really, really good. So imagine your project, your company with the logo, the colors of your project, and then also if you have a mascot, like Volt has a really good mascot in the wolf, it can look really good when you're sending out information about your company. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Check out this right now because AI Magic, build your brand with innovating tools, is here to stay. And to me, should they be on this list? We'll wait and see and find out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.